What's going on, guys? This is Danny back over here with Jamie's car, and it looks quite different now since the last time you guys saw it. So this car actually just finished coming back from Joel's fabrication. You got all the charge pipe done, the downpipes, and also the dump tube with the intercooler mounted as well. So at this point, guys, the last thing we need to do now is just actually put the downpipe back in because we heat wrapped it. The dump tube as well. We're gonna get to tuning, hopefully. Tuning tonight, hopefully, but we'll see how it goes. My laptop's in the car anyways, and at least for the time being, just admire it for a little bit. We got the nice vibrant clamps now. You know what I'm saying? Look at it, what? Wow. And same thing with these as well. Got the boost controller kind of thrown together for the time being, just so I can try and put something together for Mr. Jamil. Maybe drive it to graduation on Monday, right?
Monday.
Yep.
See if it makes it down there.
Let's pray it makes it, because we don't have AAA, so you gotta make it work, you know? But car should be good to go. I'm almost there. Just like I said, I'm just buttoning up a couple things, and yeah, it should be good. We'll see what happens.
Rari.
Alright, so just to show a comparison of how the car was running, I'm gonna go ahead and spin the turbo by hand. So pretty much tonight we got the car running, got some of the tuning done. We currently have 2 lug nuts on one of the wheels, so can't really drive it. Even though I did drive it, doesn't matter. Either way, we drove it back home because it's not really safe to drive right now before we lose the wheel. But either way, car is running really good. The turbo's still going, and it just stopped. Either way, we're doing pretty good. At least we got the driving down out of this car. Just gotta get to tuning, and I'm probably gonna leave this thing tomorrow. I'm not a professional. I just make things work. But so the turbo got back over it, and leave it as is, guys. And for tonight, that's really it. Like I said, thankfully the car is driving and it's making a lot of spoolie boy noises. I did tell Jamil that he got a party turbo, so this thing took a little bit to wake up, but it's alright. We'll leave that for later. But for tonight, guys, that's really just it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Oh!